Okay, after a long time, today we will discuss about exercise 7.1 question number 7 to question number 10 answers. Let us start from question number 7. We will provide the solution to the particular questions. Let us start from question number 7. Let us read the question number 7. Find the point on which the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Let us move forward to the answer to the question number 7. Let us read the question again. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Let A 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. This is B. A 2 minus 5 and B minus 2 9. These are the 2 points given. Are the points. Let P A0 be the point on the x-axis. We took PA0 be the point on the x-axis. We have to find the coordinates of P. See, we took here x coordinate A and y coordinate 0. Since in x-axis y equal 0. Always remember this. And if the question is about y-axis, then we will write in y-axis x equals 0. So you just remember it. Here question is about x-axis, so we put here y value 0. So let P A0 be the point on the x-axis. So that is the condition to be remembered. Now what is the another condition given? The point P is equidistant from both the points A and B. So distance between A and P is equal to distance between P and B. So what will be getting? There, since P is equidistant from both A and B. P is equidistant from both A and B. Therefore, AP equal BP. Their distance will be equal. So now use the distance formula. What will be getting? AP and P points. First, difference between the x coordinates 2 and A, and again difference between the y coordinates minus 5 and 0. Minus 5 minus 0 square root over equal. Now B and P. X coordinate minus 2 and A. Minus 2 minus A plus, and y coordinate 9 and 0. So 9 minus 0 whole square. So now we can solve it and we will get the value of A. Let's solve. Root over 2 minus A whole square plus minus 5 square minus 2 minus A whole square plus 9 square. Root over are in both sides, so that can be cancelled. So what we get? 2 minus A whole square plus 25 minus 5 square equal 25, and minus 2 minus A whole square plus 9 square is 81. Now simplify it. A minus B whole square. A square minus 2 AB plus B square plus 25 equal A minus B whole square. A square minus 2, A is minus 2 and B is A twice AB plus B square plus 81. So now solve. 4 minus 4A plus A square plus 25 equal minus 2 square 4 minus minus plus 2 to the 4A plus A square plus 81. So A square and A square can be cancelled. 4 and 4 can be cancelled. Now what are the terms remain here? Minus 4A plus 25 and here 4A plus 81. So let us move the A, keep minus 4A here and move this 4A to the left hand side. This will be minus 4A and here 81 is left and plus 25 will be moved forward to right hand side. So that will be minus 25. So minus 8A minus 4A minus 4A minus 8A equal 81 minus 25. 81 minus 25. 6 and 7 to 5. 56. Minus 8A equal 56. So what we will get? Minus 8A equal 56. Let us write again. Minus 8A equal 56. We have got this. So implies A equal 56 by minus 8. Implies A equal minus 7. So we find the value of A. So what will be the point? We took the point as P A0. So the coordinates of the point will be P. A value is minus 7, 0. So the point will be P minus 7, 0. Therefore the point is P minus 7, 0.